Want to add a bow like this to your knitting? I'll show you how. I use it in my fingerless gloves, dishcloth, and slipper patterns. You can read them all for free at queenbee.com. Let's get started. Work the stitches as directed by your pattern. The bow is made over 5 stitches. To start, purl the first stitch. Keep your yarn pulled to the front of your work. Slip the next 3 stitches onto your working needle. Pull the stitches apart to allow some slack for the strand of yarn and purl the next stitch. This is what it looks like. Continue with the pattern as written. This is what it looks like when done the first strand. Row 2, wrong side. All wrong side rows are worked in the same manner over the 5 stitches. Work the pattern as instructed. Knit the first stitch. Purl the next 3 stitches. Knit the next stitch. Continue on with the pattern. What it looks like on the wrong side. Remember, the wrong side never changes. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 1 every time. Row 3, right side. This is worked exactly as it was in the first row. Work the stitches as written. Pull the yarn forward and purl the stitch. Keep your yarn pulled forward and slip the 3 stitches onto your working needle. Pull the stitches apart to allow some slack for the strand of yarn and purl the next stitch. Continue with the pattern. There are now 2 strands done. On the wrong side, repeat row 2. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 1. Row 5, right side. Work this row the same way as the previous 2 times. Work the stitches as written. Purl the stitch. Pass the 3 stitches onto your working needle. Pull the stitches apart and purl the next stitch. Continue with the pattern. There are now 3 strands done. On the wrong side, repeat row 2. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 1. Row 7, right side. Now it's time to make the bow. We have 3 strands across the space. Follow the pattern as instructed. Purl the next stitch. Knit the next stitch. Pick up the 3 strands from the bottom up. Knit the next stitch as you normally would. Pull the loop down through the 3 strands as shown. Slide the stitch off your non-working needle. Knit the next stitch. Purl the next stitch and continue on with the pattern. What the bow looks like. Repeat row 2 when knitting the wrong side. This row never changes. Knit 1, purl 3, knit 1. This is what the bows look like when they're done. Sometimes the bows will appear lopsided. If you put your knitting needle under the 3 strands and pull gently on one side and then the other, you can easily even them out.